In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Google Drive for large files efficiently. This can be incredibly useful if you're looking to free up some space or simply manage your files more effectively. So let's dive right in. First, head over to Google Drive by typing drive.google.com into your web browser. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your Google Drive homepage where all your files are stored in the cloud. Next, we need to focus on the search bar at the top of your screen. This is a powerful tool that can help you filter through all your stored files efficiently. To find files larger than 100 megabytes, type the command larger 100 MB into the search bar. By doing this, Google Drive will automatically display all files that exceed this size. Now, you might want to adjust this criterion to suit your needs. For instance, if you're looking for smaller or even larger files, you can easily modify the number within that command. For example, entering larger 10 MB will show files over 10 megabytes, while larger 1 GB will return files that are at least 1 GB in size. This flexibility allows you to tailor your search to find precisely what you're looking for without excessive manual scrolling. Once you've typed your desired command into the search bar, hit the enter key on your keyboard. Almost instantly, Google Drive will populate a list of files that match your specified criteria. This visual display makes it easy to quickly assess and navigate your large files. An additional tip to enhance your organization of these files is to sort them by size visually. On the left-hand side of your Google Drive interface, you'll see a panel with various options. Click on Storage. Next to Storage Used, there's a down arrow. Click on it and you'll find a Sort Direction option. Here you can choose large to small, which will rearrange your files in descending order by size. This is particularly helpful if you're trying to prioritize deleting the largest files to free up space. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently search and manage your Google Drive, ensuring that you can tackle those large files with ease. Remember to go through these files carefully before deletion, ensuring that you're not removing anything important. I hope this tutorial helps you manage your Google Drive storage more effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and have a great day managing your digital space.